Hello guys, welcome back to database administration workshop. In our previous sessions, we have seen how to install Linux server and then how to add a disk to the Linux server. And also we have seen the screenshots for 11G ASM installation, 11G Oracle home installation and 11G database creation. Also, we have seen the 12C ASM installation and 12C Oracle home installation and 12C database creation. So in this today session, we are actually gonna go over and do each and all these activities in live. So if you see, I already logged into my Linux server here. I'll just see host name. This is my host name, oracle server.localdomain.com. And already I have a lab notes here. If you see it, let me bring it here. I have lab 4. I have given the steps how to create disk partitions and all. And also I have a lab 2 here, which talks about creating the users and creating the directories and all. So we'll go one at a time. So in this server, if I go to dev llsd star, and I have added two disks here, sdb and sdc. And as per this law lab material, I'm going to do f disk. And I'm gonna format that disk. I'm gonna okay. Let me connect to my mobile xterm here. Okay, here it is. LLSD star. If I do it, I can see SDB and SDC2 disk I can see here. And if I do format, it's going to be, give me a second. It's going to be F disk dev, and then N for creating new partition and P for primary partition. And I'll start with the default disk and I'll end with the default disk list sectors, and I'll go with the default last sectors, and W is for save. And if I do LLSD star, you can see SDB is formatted to SDB1, and similarly I'll do SDC F disk SDC, and I'll go with the new partition, and it's going to be primary partition, and go with the default disk 1, and then first sector and last sector, and W is for save. And if I do again LLS disk, you can see SDC1 is formatted here. So now we got the disk formatted disk. And now what I'll do Oracle ASM config. Before that, I'll go to the other lab and I will see the user creation. So these are the groups. I'm going to add it here. You can see all the groups are added now. And I'll go with creation. I'll just remove this one. Uh, no need of this user ID oinstall Oracle bin. Okay, you can use this Oracle DB user or Oracle, whatever it is. Like you just give this one.